Welcome to this video for grade 7 mathematics. And in this topic, we'll be looking at rewriting decimals as fractions. Here we need to write 3,75 as a simplified fraction. So first of all, the 3 is the whole number, which is in front of the comma. And then we have the comma. And then behind the comma, we have a tenth. And we can rewrite this as 1/10. The second value after the comma would be a hundredth, and we could rewrite this as 1/100. And the third value after the comma would be a thousandth, and we could rewrite that as 1/1000. So once again, 3 is our whole number. Then we have a comma. The first value behind the comma would be a tenth. The second value would be a hundredth. And the third value would be a thousandth. So this 7 over here behind the comma would be considered a tenth. The 5 would be considered a hundredth. So if we rewrite this decimal, it'll be 3 plus 7/10 plus 5/100. Now the denominators need to be the same in order to simplify it. So what we're going to do is we have 100, that is the largest denominator. So we're going to multiply 10 by 10. And we're going to multiply 7 by 10. So we end up with 70/100 plus 5/100. Now we can go ahead and add these numerators together. So we end up with 75/100. Now to simplify this further, we need to find which common factor will go into 75 and 100. So if we have a look here, the largest common factor is 25, and that will go into 75 3 times. And it will go into 100 4 times. So if we simplify that, we end up with an answer of 3 3/4. Just to remind you, 3 is the whole number, 3 is the numerator, and 4 is the denominator. So the answer is 3 3/4. Let's have a look at some additional examples. We need to express 0,3 as a fraction. So 3 is just behind the comma, so that would be a tenth. So we can rewrite the answer as 3/10. Express 0,09 as a fraction. And here, 9 is at the hundredth position. So that would be 9/100. Express 0,78 as a fraction. 7 would be a tenth, and 8 would be a hundredth. So we could rewrite this as 78/100. Thanks for watching this topic on rewriting decimals as fractions.